Have you ever considered the state of your liver? It's an organ often overlooked, yet its health is paramount to our overall well-being. When our liver is in distress, it sends out signals that are easy to miss. Unusual signs, unexpected symptoms, subtle whispers of a potentially struggling liver. These indicators are often brushed aside, yet they hold the key to early detection and intervention. So what are these signs? Stay tuned as we uncover the top 10 weird signs that you might have liver damage. Starting at number 10, did you know that itchy skin can be a sign of liver damage? Yes, indeed. When our liver is struggling, it can cause bile, a substance produced in the liver, to build up in the skin, leading to persistent itching. Moving on to sign number 9. Have you ever noticed changes in the color of your urine or stool? Well, it's not just about hydration or diet. When your liver isn't working properly, it can lead to darker urine and pale stools. This happens because an unhealthy liver struggles to produce enough bile, which is responsible for the normal color of these waste products. And for the 8th sign, swelling in the legs and ankles. This happens when the liver fails to produce enough proteins, causing fluid to build up in the legs and ankles. This condition is called edema, and it's a clear warning sign that your liver might be in distress. But these are just the tip of the iceberg. Let's dive deeper. Moving on to number 7, a sudden loss of appetite can tell a lot about your liver health. Your liver plays a critical role in your digestion process. When it's under stress or damage, it may stop producing enough bile, which aids in the digestion of food, leading to a loss of appetite. Now let's talk about the 6th sign, nausea or vomiting. This could be a result of your body trying to eliminate toxins that the liver is unable to process. It's your body's way of saying that something isn't quite right. Finally, we come to the 5th sign, easy bruising or bleeding. The liver produces proteins necessary for blood clotting. If your liver is damaged, it may not make enough of these proteins, resulting in you bruising or bleeding more easily than usual. Sounds surprising, right? But there's more. Now we're moving to the top 4 weird signs of liver damage. Swinging in at number 4, it's fatigue and weakness. If you're feeling unusually tired or weak, your liver might be telling you something. It's a powerhouse organ, breaking down toxins and producing energy. When it's not at full capacity, it can leave you feeling drained. Moving on to number 3, we have yellow discoloration in the skin and eyes, otherwise known as jaundice. This happens when your liver isn't breaking down a substance called bilirubin effectively. The excess bilirubin then tints your skin and eyes yellow. Our 2nd sign is confusion and sleepiness. This might seem strange, but when your liver struggles, toxins can build up in your brain, causing a foggy feeling, confusion, or excessive sleepiness. Finally, the number 1 sign is dark urine color. Your liver filters out waste, and when it's not functioning well, your urine can darken. These signs are more common than you might think, and they could be pointing to liver damage. So there we have it. The top 10 weird signs that you might have liver damage. From unusual colored stools to persistent fatigue, these signs may seem strange but are crucial indicators of a potentially unhealthy liver. If you notice any of these symptoms, it's imperative to consult a healthcare professional. It's always better to err on the side of caution when it comes to your health. Remember, your liver is essential to your overall health, so take these signs seriously. Stay healthy, and until next time, keep exploring your health.